guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's haul. Another Zara haul, and today's is birthday themed. So next week Saturday is my birthday and I'm kind of looking for a nice outfit for a few different events. So mostly dinner related, nicer restaurants, so kind of needs me to dress up a little bit more. So I went to my favourite and I picked out some items that I wanted to try on and get you guys' view on what I should keep, what I should wear, what I should not. I will also be talking you guys through what I've been reading in the last couple of months, as well as talking you through some practices that I have been putting in place to really help me boost and elevate and I guess get to the next level, as well as a really exciting career update. So if you like the sound of that, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start with the Zara haul because I know that most people will be interested in seeing that. And by the way, if you are new here, my name's Nadreen and I upload at least one new video a week, but occasionally you'll get 2 new videos. So earlier this week I uploaded a how to buy a car the smart way, and I will have linked that in the end cards at the end of this video. Ordered online as I normally do, and I should probably start by saying that this top that I'm wearing is the first item in the haul. So it's just this one sleeved semi off the shoulder black I'd say very tailored, quite a structured shirt. So it's quite similar to a white one like this that I've tried on a few hauls back and you guys loved it. So I thought I'd get it in black, and this I am definitely keeping. I already have a dinner in mind where I would love to wear this. So I just love how form-fitting it is. It kind of nips you in at the waist and I guess kind of skims down past your hips quite nicely. And I love the very statement shoulders as well. So a very strong favourite. I got this in a size small and it was $29.99. So the first item is this white blazer. Now I'm going to be careful not to get stuff on it, but it is double-breasted. It has very structured shoulders and I freaking love it. I got it in a size extra small and it was $79.99, so a little bit pricey, but the way I'm thinking of rocking this, it's quite a statement piece, so definitely something that you want to spend a little bit more money on. And I guess if you don't have like a birthday event coming up, but you've been invited to a wedding perhaps and you want like an alternative, a pantsuit, maybe not in white, just to be on the safe side, because the brides might have something to say about that, but a statement suit like that for like weddings or like evening events and stuff can actually be a nice alternative to a dress. So yeah, I quite like how that looks like, but I'll obviously show you guys what it looks like on and give you my thoughts. Then I also got it with the matching, I think they're the matching trousers, but I sized up in these. So I got the trousers in a medium, they were $39.99 and they just kind of look like this. They're very wide leg, buttons are white, which I like, same on the jacket, and they've got these sort of faux pockets on the back as well. So I'm going to try that on as a full-on suit, like a whole outfit basically, and see how I feel about it. But that's option 1. So this suit, it is the right colour, its fit across the bust is really nice, the sleeve length is perfect, and it kind of has like a little like it's nice and tight up here for me, and then it kind of opens up a bit, and then it just kind of comes really nicely in here. Then the trousers, good fit, and this rarely ever happens for me. They're quite see-through, so definitely skin coloured pants if you're doing these, and boy do they complement this perfectly. Then still on the suit vibe, I got this gorgeous pink number. So I picked this up in a size extra small. It was $89.99. So I'm not sure why this is £10 more than the white one, but I guess maybe because probably more people gravitate towards pink because they can keep it clean. I don't know. But this is pretty similar to the other one, except the buttons are black, so nice contrast effect. But essentially exactly the same feel as the other one. So pink, because I rarely ever wear pink, and I think every now and again, if I want to do an all black outfit, throwing a really bright or statement colour blazer over it is the way to go. So this is an idea, and maybe I'd rock this with this top and a black leather skirt, or black leather pants as I'm wearing, or leather look pants, and yeah, kind of just give it a bit more fun. So I'm not like all black. And then obviously got the matching trousers again in a size medium. They were $39.99, and they look like this. So whereas the white trousers and the white suit are a little bit, they kind of have a silkier texture to them, these are quite a bit more of a durable material. So they just, they seem to be a bit more long wearing. Really curious to see what these bits look like on. So my thoughts on the pink suit. For me, the blazer is quite wide. I do like the neckline, and I love the cut, but I just wish they did it in a size down, just one size down, like an extra small. It's a shame really, because it's just made really well. I love the black on pink contrast, and how it looks at the back as well. I guess what you could do with this is probably just get it tailored, so there's an option. But if I've spent, I don't know, $89.99 on a blazer, I don't want to then have to go and spend another £10-20 to get it to fit me. Trousers, however, are a great fit. So I struggle with trousers, I really do, and these are like the perfect fit, like on the bum. There is a little bit of a gape, but I'm happy with that. And yeah, they're just nice and long, wide leg, quite smart, and I think the two paired together is a really nice look. So yeah, if you love a power suit, Zara is doing a lot of bits for you right now. Anyway, to go with that, I picked up these gold sandals, which kind of look quite scuffed already, but anyway, I'll hold them up closer so you guys can see them. But yeah, I was just thinking like a really casual vibe. They've got a little bit of a heel, so I can sort of feel a little bit more done up. But I thought this for nights where I want to be dressed up, but I want to be comfortable and like wear flat shoes, so I feel like I can, if I'm getting public transport, I can walk quite easily. And I've never seen this before. It's kind of like a round heel. I'll pop the I can't remember the price for these, so it will all items will be linked in the description box below. Then onto books. So I've got all my faves here, so I feel like I'll just do this in every video where I've like gathered up loads, and I will start with this one. So this book is called The Willpower Instinct, and it's all about how self-control works, why it matters, and what you can do to get more of it. I loved it. I think it came at a time where I was really low on my willpower reserves, I would say, and it kind of talks you through the science behind how the mind works and how your brain can often sabotage or work against you in efforts to really maintain your will, or strengthen your will, or exercise self-control. So I think a lot of the examples they use are related to smoking or quitting bad habits, or just, I guess in general, sticking to something that you have set out to do. And I found this was a really good read to help me getting back into the rhythm of waking up a little bit earlier every day. So I think that if you want to understand the science behind how the brain works and how the mind works, and how to reprogram some of your like unconscious behaviors, or reprogram your mind so that you can be more aware of your unconscious behaviors, and get yourself back on track, this is a really good one, because it kind of gives you like tools to sort of use, and gives you a bit of a head start on your brain. What this also inspired me to do was to put together a self-control cheat sheet. So it's almost like a 10-step program that I'm using to ultimately try and bring back some self-discipline in a number of different areas in my life. So I will leave a link to it below. You can download it by clicking the link, and it will take you through to my website where you can grab it, and yeah, enjoy. The next book that I am rereading is The Secret, and I've got a law of attraction video coming up for you guys, but I just felt that I was trying to manifest some things in my life, and reading this, I think a few days in, so I was basically interviewing, and you guys know I'm a contractor, so I was interviewing for my next contract role, and I said to myself that by the end of the week I would have, and this is end of this week, so today, I would have 2 job offers, or near enough 2 job offers to consider. So read this and really went ham on my as if journaling. So basically writing a journal entry writing journal entries from the perspective of a day in which this had come to pass. So the 2 job offers had come to pass. So I was interviewing, I think I interviewed for about 3 or 4 roles, and I basically got through to final stages for 2 of them. Well, 3 of them actually. One I declined because I didn't feel like it was a good fit for me. The second one I also declined to go through to the final stage because I felt like in the interview I just didn't get I didn't get a decent rapport with the person that I was interviewing with, and I feel like that's really important to have, especially if they're going to be the person that you're working with. And the third job offer I accepted, so I will be starting next week in my new role as a product marketing manager. So I mentioned to you guys that I am kind of looking at and considering like a new career path, and that was it basically. So I was looking and applying for loads of roles in the product marketing space because I kind of really want to be closer to the service or the product and the customers using it, and any like improvements, and I guess the product roadmap and the product life cycle. I feel like this will be a really good education just for anything that I'm doing outside of my marketing career, and anything that I sort of want to look into doing as part of the Style with Substance brand. So yes, I officially start next week as a product marketing manager, and the company is amazing, and I guess their ethos and the technology that they provide is something that I'm extremely passionate about. So I'll be able to talk more about it maybe in a career update video next week. But yeah, basically all has come about by reading The Secret. So practicing gratitude, journaling or scribing, reading this, saying my affirmations, and I guess, yeah, really kind of bringing that all together. Then the other day, so I read this book before, but I reread it in one sitting. Gosh, when was it? On Friday. And it's What a Time to Be Alive by the Slumflower. This is a great book for the people pleaser, the singleton. This is a really, really good confidence boosting book, and I think for a single introvert who has been a lifelong people pleaser, this is a perfect book for me. And I feel like it's one of those great ones I can read over and over again when I need a bit of a reminder to just put myself first. So I reread that, and I guess it puts a lot of things into perspective about your life, relationships, friendships, and I guess how you take time for yourself and invest in yourself, and how to really not allow others to draw from your energy sources before you have. And then next on my list is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So I've read this before, but I'm always in the market for anything around money and building wealth, and I think that I need to give this one another go, particularly as I'm starting a new job, and I want to be in a position by my birthday next year to really do some remarkable things, and those things are going to require some of the green stuff. I'm rereading that, so I'm going to get started on that hopefully later today. And yeah, that's everything. So that's what I've been reading. those are the outfits I'm considering for my birthday. So comment down below and let me know which is your favourite or your favourites. I will leave the books linked in the description box below, as well as anything I picked up from Zara. And you will find my program for self-discipline. It's literally just a one-page PDF available to download for free from my website. I will have linked it in the description box. So yeah, do come follow me on Instagram. I have just posted this morning with a new outfit pic, and I will be back again on Saturday with a new video for you guys to check out. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.